Hello friends, welcome back. In this video again I'm going to gift you 2 marks in the upcoming prelims examination. Guys, in the recent years you will analyze that UPSC every year is giving map based questions from protected area in the environment section, and out of all the protected areas this year tiger reserves are very important. Guys, let me first explain you why tiger reserves are important. Guys, this year we are commemorating 50 years of Project Tiger. But the problem is that there are more than 50 tiger reserves. How many of them you can prepare? It is not possible for aspirants to prepare all 50 out of 50. So guys, in this video, I'm going to give you top 5 tiger reserves which can come in the UPSC prelims examination 2024. I'm also going to give you what kind of information you should prepare and also what kind of questions you can expect in the prelims examination. Guys, let us start. So the first question what they can give you is that which were those 9 tiger reserves which were at the beginning of the Project Tiger. So the list is, guys, you can see here: Bandipur in Karnataka, Corbett in Uttarakhand, Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, Manas in Assam, Melghat in Maharashtra, Palamu in Jharkhand, Ranthambore in Rajasthan, Simplipal in Odisha, and Sundarbans in West Bengal. These were the 9 tiger reserves at the beginning of the Project Tiger in 1973. Guys, they can ask you how many of them were commemorated 50 years recently. Okay, so all these tiger reserves also completed 50 years. So these tiger reserves are the most important ones this year. Next, what they can ask you is the Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. Guys, recently Supreme Court has set up a panel to look into the tiger safaris. Guys, here you have to focus on few important things. First of all, you need to focus on important rivers which are flowing, important districts in which this tiger reserves is located. Guys, you can see here the rivers are Ramganga, Kosi, Mandal, Son Nadi, and Palayan. Okay, Sonan Nadi. Okay. Next, it is distributed in 3 districts of Uttarakhand, which is Pauri, Nainital, Almora. So another information which can be very useful for you is that initially the name of this Jim Corbett National Park was, you can see here, Haley National Park, on the name after Sir Malcolm Haley, which was the governor of United Provinces. Later on, after independence, the name was changed into Ramganga National Park. Ramganga because of the river Ramganga flows through it, so river is very important. And next, in 1965, 1956, the name was again changed to Corbett National Park. So guys, I'm giving you an assignment. Who was Jim Corbett? You need to read about him. Who was Jim Corbett? Very important. Guys, this national park is also protected by World Wildlife Fund under the Terai Arc Landscape Project. So this is located in the Terai region. Okay, very, very important. Next important tiger reserve is the Simplipal Tiger Reserve. Why? Because of the melanistic tiger. Because of the melanistic tiger or black tigers. Very, very important. Black tigers. Only place in India where black tigers are found is the Simplipal Tiger Reserves. So guys, you can see it is located in the Mayurbhanj district of Orissa. Very important. It has also a Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve, which is also very, very, very important. So guys, here you can get questions because this is a very important protected area. You can see some of the rivers which are flowing through is Baitarani, okay, then Subarnarekha, Sala Nadi. So these rivers are very important. Baitarani UPSC has already asked in the previous year. Baitarani River, Subarnarekha River, again UPSC has asked it. Very, 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 very important. You can see the highest peak is the Khairi Buru peak. Okay guys, you can see here, okay, one of the high population of elephants in Odisha in this park, and it is also part of the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve since 2009. Okay, melanistic tiger. Okay, the important feature is melanistic tiger. Next important tiger reserve is the Periyar Tiger Reserve. Why? So let us see here. Periyar Tiger Reserve recently was awarded the rank 1. It was awarded rank 1 in the management of tigers. So guys, this is a very, very important one. Apart from this Periyar Tiger Reserve, other tiger reserves which were awarded very good rank was Satpura Tiger Reserve and Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Nagarhole in Karnataka. So this Bandipur and Nagarhole, very important. Lot of times you will hear Bandipur and Nagarhole. Why I'm telling you these two tiger reserves are also very important. We are going to cover this. Along with that, Satpura in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so guys, Periyar Tiger Reserve rank 1, very important. It is located in the Cardamom Hills. It is located in the Cardamom Hills. Guys, you can see here Cardamom Hills of the Western Ghats, and it is after the name of the river Periyar which flows through the areas. Very important, guys. It is also in news because of INO. Okay, INO, Indian Neutrino Observatory coming up. So there is a protest against it. Okay, there are various kinds of, you can see, tribals which are found here. Manans, Paliyas, Urals. Okay, very important one. Periyar Lake, which is an artificial lake, was created after the construction of the Mula Periyar Dam across the river Periyar. So this is also very important. Very, very important. Periyar Cardamom Hills. Because sometimes UPSC gives hills and tiger reserves. Match the following. Rivers and tiger reserves. Match the following. Okay, next important. You see, let us see some of the questions which have come from tiger reserve. You can see among the following tiger reserve, which of the following has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? Answer is Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam. This is the answer. This is in news this year, but already UPSC has asked, so maybe they may not ask this question. Okay, so guys, you have to prepare this Nalamala forest. Nalamala forest, you need to prepare. It is very important in this context. Okay, from the ecological point of view, which one of the following assumes importance as a good link between eastern and western ghats? So guys, the answer to this question will be Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. This is a very important topic. Okay, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is also very important. UPSC is already asked. Now let us see some more important tiger reserves which are important, guys. You can see another important tiger reserves. The government is going to notify Dibang Tiger Reserve in Arunachal. Dibang Tiger Reserve in Arunachal, because okay, there is some issue there happening, and the Mishmi people, Indu Mishmi people, which is an indigenous tribe, a scheduled tribe there, Indu Mishmi people, they are protesting against the notification of the Dibang Tiger Reserve. Dibang Tiger Reserve is in Arunachal Pradesh. Again, very important one. Next, we can see 50 years, as I told you, 50 years of Bandipur. So guys, out of all the tiger reserve, Bandipur Tiger Reserve is very, very important. Why Bandipur Tiger Reserve is very, very important? Because guys, the Bandipur, Nagarhole, Wayanad and Mudumalai Tiger Complex. You can see here, Mudumalai, Bandipur, Nagarhole, Wayanad Tiger Complex. It has the world's single largest number of tigers in this complex, and this is located in three states. This is located over three states: Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, you can see here. So guys, this entire stretch of contiguous area, you can see here, we have here Bandipur, then we have the Mudumalai, then we have the Nagarhole and Wayanad. This place is very, very important. You can get question on this. So Mudumalai also they can ask you, Bandipur they can also ask you, Nagarhole they can ask you, and Wayanad complex they can ask you. So these four tiger reserves are very, very important. Again, I repeat: Mudumalai National Park, Bandipur National Park, Nagarhole National Park, and Wayanad National Park. Very, very important. You can see Wayanad here. You can see Wayanad here in Kerala. So this is also very, very important. Kabini River. Kabini River flows through it. Okay, so this you can see here in the Bandipur, the two rivers which are at the corners of this tiger reserve. You can see here, the park is located between the Kabini River in the north and Moyar River in the south. Moyar River is very, very important, guys. Moyar River, please remember Moyar River, guys, very, very important. Okay, you can see here the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, okay, in the south. So which are the tiger reserves surrounding it? Mudumalai, Wayanad and the Kabini tiger reservoir is there in the, this is very, very important, guys. Next, you can see here Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. It is very important. Already UPSC has asked this question. It is at the junction of Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So very, very important from the ecological point of view. So guys, this were some of the important tiger reserves. But now I'm going to give you few less important ones, but in news. You can see here last year few tiger reserves were added, were notified. You can see the Dholpur Karauli Tiger Reserve, Rajasthan's fifth tiger reserve. Rajasthan already has four tiger reserves. You can see here Ranthambore, Sariska, Mukundra, and Ramgarh. Now Rajasthan has got the fifth Dholpur Karauli. Again, you can see here Virangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve, which gives the Madhya Pradesh seventh protected habitats for the big cats. So this two also can ask, but okay, generally they will not ask such kind of questions, but you should know because they are the latest one to be added, latest one to be notified. Okay guys, like this guys, I'm preparing on all these important tiger reserve. I'm preparing questions in my FLTs and my Optima test. Please do take the FLTs. These are important predicted questions, guys. These are going to help you a lot, guys. Let me again repeat, even one question which you can solve because of my predictions, that is going to change your life for this prelims examination. With this, guys, please do support this initiative. Thank you, guys. Bye bye, take care.